guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to make white sauce pasta. The ingredients we will need are butter and cheese cube, maida, pizza pasta sauce. Here I am using the Kisan one, and of course some pasta, oregano, and some mayonnaise, salt. And for the veggies we will need capsicum, green chilies, chopped ginger, chopped garlic, and onions and carrots. Let's move on to the preparation. Firstly, we will need to boil some water, and then I will add a little bit of oil and a little bit of salt to this. When the water is boiling, I will add my pasta to this water. Then boil the pasta for 5 to 6 minutes until it becomes soft. Then we will drain the pasta and keep that to a side. Then I am taking some oil in a pan. To this I will add our chopped garlic and ginger first, and stir it until the raw smell of ginger and garlic goes away. Next I will add the chilies. And fry them for 1 minute. Next I will add the chopped onions to this and saute this until the onions become soft. And I will add the carrots and of course my favorite capsicum. Then I will add a little bit of oregano. After that, I will keep all the veggies aside. Then I will take the pan again, and I will add little bit of butter on the pan and add the maida into this and fry them for a while. 1 to 2 minutes at least. Then I will add about 1 cup of milk and mix all of them together. We need a smooth paste. Not paste, you know what I mean. I'm getting some cheese to make it more cheesy. veggies onto this and mix it well. And of course, after this I'll add all my boiled pasta on this mixture and mix them well. Lastly, I'll add the pasta sauce, a tablespoon of the pasta sauce and 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. And yeah, here you go. This is your creamy white sauce pasta is ready. Please like this video and share this video, and of course subscribe to my channel. Tata, bye bye.